So you want to make your Discord look fancy? Well, you need Python, which you can download from this website. You also need the PSUtil, but Python usually comes along with that now. It's just for you have an older version. And MinGV, which you can download from this website. Many of you were having trouble with this the last time in the first version, but I was stupid that time and didn't do it properly, so I'll show you. Just, install, and I'm not gonna put it on the start menu or desktop because I don't want it there. And it should start downloading a lot of files, so I'll just cut until it's finished. And as you can see, we are now finished downloading all of these files. Here's the part where you had trouble the last time. You need to click them and mark for installation, all of them. I tried to remember which one it was, like that you actually needed, but I forgot, so just mark them all. Easier that way. After that, you go to installation and apply changes. It will then start downloading a lot more files. And I'll cut again until we're done. Hey, and we're done. So now all changes were applied. You should now have it installed. You can close this window, and you should now open Python to download this. Same old thing. Add Python to your path, and all things are good. And I'm gonna cut again until we're done. And we are done. Just close that window, and we can continue on to the next step, which should be to put the min.gv into your path. So open your system window, advanced settings, then you see all these tabs. You don't need to bother with those. You just go to the environment table, variables, down in the bottom, and you scroll until you see path, edit, and click new. And then you add C colon, oh shit, colon, backslash, min.gv, backslash, bin. It should be a big W. I just did it wrong. And then you click OK, and OK. And you can just close these windows. And for those of you who have the older version without PSUtil, just, do this. Easy. And here comes the next step. You have to go to the GitHub, which will be in the description. All these sites will be in the description, by the way. And then you're gonna find the installing under this beautiful Discord no, GitHub page. You're gonna copy this part and into your command line. And now you are downloading beautiful Discord. Now you need to find your Python directory. Shouldn't be too hard if you just use the Windows search. Mine was in my local file AppData. See, we have beautiful Discord. And what you need to do now is download a CSS file. I put mine inside of the scripts folder. You didn't see it, but it's there. And just type cd scripts and then be and just hit tab to get the full file extension. Then dash dash css and then the name of your CSS file. Then you just click enter and it'll see that you have your Discord open, and it's gonna close it, apply the changes, and then it's gonna relaunch Discord when it's done. And depending on the CSS file that you have installed, you're gonna have different results. I'm going to change it in a few minutes so you can see that it's quite easy to change if you have your own CSS file or CSS code. Just gonna give you a little preview of what it is right now. And to get more custom CSS files, you go to the GitHub, which should be in the description as well. Just edit your CSS file with like Sublime Text Editor or anything like WordPad would be fine as well. But I'm gonna use Sublime Text Editor because it has fancy coloring. And here you see all of the CSS that went into that particular skin, but not everything works because it's outdated. Here are all the other themes. I'm just gonna pick one at random to show you that it's quite easy to change. I'm gonna Control A, copy, and go to the Sublime Text Editor and just change everything inside by Control A and Control V. And then Control S to save changes, and look at it, just changes right in front of you. And that's it. Thank you for watching, Subscribble and all that fun stuff. Goodbye.